YouTube, I am back with another video. Heading to Orange Beach right now, and I'm gonna give you all a little POV of the truck. I'm currently on the highway. I got a 6-hour drive. Figured, why not, you know? I might start doing this like every Monday, post a video every single Monday of a POV in whatever car I'm in for that day. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with the TRX because this is my daily. I'm not really sure how to do this. Like, do I talk at all or just let it roll, you know? So this truck is currently probably the biggest TRX in the world that I am driving. So I am significantly bigger than every car on the road. This truck has a small Predator pulley on it, a B Woody intake, and a mid muffler delete. So this thing is not stock, but I can tell you it sounds 10 times better than stock. So if you like whines, like Hellcat whines, you're gonna love this video because this truck likes to purr. So, in case you are wondering, Bryce, does it get annoying when you're on road trips and you hear that non-stop? No, not at all. What's great about this truck is I am sitting on 40-inch tires and I have one finger on the steering wheel and it drives straight as an arrow. And that is what's great about SoFlo Customs. You won't see many SoFlo Customs trucks on the road, but when you do, just know it's a special truck because you can't just put 40s on a TRX and expect it to drive good. Like, that's not how that works. You will end up in the woods so unbelievably fast. But they do it. They make this thing just insane. It drives like a normal TRX, except you're twice the size of a normal TRX. Like, this thing literally towers over normal TRXs. The downside of having a truck like this is I don't fit in any parking garages. None. There's not a single parking garage out there that I fit in. I mean, unless the parking garage is well over 10 feet tall, I ain't fitting. Y'all may know this, y'all may not. I went to the University of Georgia, and when I lived in an apartment complex, I had to purchase two parking spots because my truck was so wide it didn't fit in one. Yeah, you can only imagine how pissed off I was about that, but you had to do what you had to do. But yeah, I'll be rolling here to Buc-ee's here in a minute, and then I'll pick up the camera when I get there. Sale cancel? What you mean sale cancel? Let's try this again. There we go. This thing needs clean and to wash my truck. I haven't been to a Buc-ee's in a long time. So I used to go to the University of Alabama, like my freshman and sophomore year. And when I went there, I'd pass through here every time, and I would get Buc-ee's, but I haven't in a while. Such a crazy looking truck. Not too bad. Not bad at all, actually. Oh. Also, you know, C4. I'm still waiting on my little sponsorship. Let's work. Y'all like my truck? Y'all like my truck? Look at it. That's usually what you get in this thing. All right, y'all, if y'all want a spot, I'm coming out. Oh, we got more. Oh, this guy likes my truck too. Show your baby, you gotta get him starting young. Yes, sir. I love getting people's reactions. It's one of my favorite things to do. Come on, y'all. Let me go. Yep. Yes, sir. Y'all let me go. I scratch your back, you scratch mine. Did I shut my gas tank? I did. Oh, scared me a little bit. Look at that line to get into Buc-ee's. Oh my gosh. I give Buc-ee's credit. They kill it. They're the only, I mean, every time I'm here, it's like a circus. It's like a parade. It's ridiculous. All right, Forerunner. Before I eat you, you better go. Come on, bro. I know you got it in you. Y'all claim that y'all are the baddest things around. Oh. What is that? Is that an RT? Nissan Altima. I need you to scoot on over for a second. Let your boy go. Oh gosh, it's a GT. Oh, now I just feel bad. Oh no. Yeah, it's gonna, I'm still like 3.5 hours away, so I'll pick up the camera here in a little while. I need to go listen to some music. I need to do something to keep myself entertained. And here comes the rain. Some of y'all are probably wondering, Bryce, how good is this thing driving in the rain? Drives phenomenal in the rain. I have no issues in the rain. Never hydroplane. If you hydroplane this tank, you got a problem. I get a lot of comments on my TikToks, not necessarily YouTube, but on my TikToks, claiming that they think that the Raptor has a better interior than the TRX. I disagree completely. The TRX interior is, for a pickup truck, It's pretty crazy. It's got everything in here. Literally everything. Oh, and there's our Charger coming up on me. Yeah, I got no hate for Raptors. I'm a Ford guy, actually. I love Fords. I'm like, if I didn't have this, I'd have either a Raptor R or an F-250. But I love this truck. I'm not a big Ram guy, but I love the TRXs. Especially the ones from SoFlo Customs, because they do an unbelievable job on those things. I've never had a car just get so much attention in my life. Oh my, an oversized load is in front of me, and they decided to drive in the middle and not on the right or the left, in the middle. So now I'm stuck in this little, going only 65 kind of deal. I'll show you an oversized load. Okay, that sounded terrible. I can't even put that on that can't go on YouTube. Is that a 5.0 up there? Sure is. Sure is. I am about to get off on my exit, and this car is going extreme. Can you please? I see the skeleton on the back of the thing. That's enough. Go. Oh my gosh. What the? I mean, what the heck was that? Okay. Come on, C4, let's do it. Oh, is this a 5.0? Oh, is this a little snack? Come on, bro. Get out of the way. What's that license plate say? Elite for real. I'm sure you are, but I'm sure you're really elite. Real good, yeah. Oh, there he goes. He wants to have some fun. He wants to have some fun. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, I left him. Oh, I left him. See you, buddy. Imagine getting beat by something that weighs 3 times the amount of your car. I mean, you just got beat by a legit tank, and like an army tank. Like, someone needs to help that guy. Add a pulley or something to that thing. And all the 5.0 boys in the comment section, I can't wait to. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. He's back there for a reason. I'm about 20 minutes away. I'm on a normal road now, so y'all can actually get a feel for this as a daily driver. That is the B Woody intake. If you don't have a B Woody intake, your truck is not going to downshift like that. Like, your TRX will not sound like that on a downshift. If you want your TRX to sound like a Hellcat or a Demon on a downshift, yeah, I go with a B Woody intake. As you can see, this whine is twice as loud as a regular. If you have a TRX, or if you own a TRX and you are watching this, I'm telling you, B Woody intake, Predator pulley. Do it. And then B Woody, when you start getting TRX clients or customers, hit my line. Let's do some work. I got a lot of vehicles I want B Woody intakes on. I'm pulling into my destination, so that's going to do it for today's video. Appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about these little POVs, because I know some of y'all like them, some of y'all may hate them, I don't know, but let me know how y'all think about them. I might start doing these every Monday. We'll see. Yeah, I appreciate all y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next